Didas Tabaro. I'm the Secretary for Social Services. This is Education and Health, Mabarara District Local Government Council. So I first of all want to appreciate the efforts put in place by the organizers because access to information is key to development and transparency. We have been having challenges of the technical staff tending to hide the information under the guise of it is technical, it is purely technical, so the public and the politicians should not ditch their hand in. So, but of course, with now the knowledge I've acquired from here, and I have instructed the civil servants to make sure that all documents which involve public funds should be made public. No more hiding of information. Then number two, as I told you, I'm the Secretary for Education and Health. I want to inform the public that we received 410 million under school facilities grant, and as a local government we also mobilized 103 million to top up on the school facilities grant to make sure that we put some classroom blocks, and we are going to use this money constructing on 5 sites. So each site is going to cost us 48 million. So I want to appeal to the public that they must make sure that that money is put to proper use. And of course, as a district, we also have a challenge where the public is not bothered to know what is happening. They think they don't own the programs that we bring to them. They tend to think this is government, this is NGO work, so they tend to neglect the whole program, the programs, and yet it benefits them directly. So for instance, you find the chairperson of the village where the school is being constructed has never even gone to the site to verify whether the work is appropriate, is in line with what was budgeted for. So I want to appeal to the general public that they should develop the tendency of ownership. These are their projects, and they should always make sure that they inspect, because they are for them, they are on the ground. Because when you wait, if you are to wait for the supervisors to come from the district or far beyond, it will take time, and you find the ratio for cement, which is already, the building is already up, that one you cannot easily tell. So it is the public's responsibility to also make sure that they ask for those documents, especially bid documents, to ensure that they know what is going to be done and at how much. So, and I want to appeal to my fellow leaders to make sure that they always sensitize the public to know that these are their projects, that they should always own them, and verify the workmanship done on those specific projects. Of course, in Uganda we still have a problem where it's not that everybody knows how to read and write. But as a district, we are coming up with a new innovation where we are requesting for radio talk shows to make sure that the message, all the records, the bids, the information on contracts is even translated in the local languages verbally. And even verbally, especially because we have people who don't know how to read. But of course they can listen to radio stations and other media houses. So we have already secured a program whereby every week, at least in a week, we go there and we inform the public what we intend to do.